Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a short clip from my Pluralsight course on AI-based chatbots. You can find the full course in the description below. And in this short clip, I go through how to interact with OpenAI's ChatGPT through its API. This can be very useful if you're trying to build an application to leverage ChatGPT. Be sure to watch to the end to see the controversial response that ChatGPT gives to the question that I ask. Alright, let's get into it. So let's take a look at how we can use OpenAI's API to run ChatGPT with code. I am in a Python notebook, and you can access this by going to the link below. Once you're there, create a new notebook, or you can import the one that I have in the exercise files. The first step in the notebook will be to install the OpenAI package. I'll go ahead and run it. And you should see it runs pretty fast because I already have it installed. Then you will be required to import the newly installed package with the code import OpenAI. And the next line will require you to grab a secret key from OpenAI's website. You can do so by following this link, and it's going to prompt you to sign in to get one. The site looks like this, and you will press create new secret key to get a key. I will not press this button because I already have a couple. And once you have your key, you can head back into the Python notebook and paste it where it says your key. I'll pause this video to run the cell with my secret key. Now the last cell is where we call upon the OpenAI API and ask it a question. I'm going to ask it who the top NBA players are of all time. And here we go. This list might cause some debates, but nevertheless, we are able to communicate with ChatGPT via OpenAI's API. For a developer looking to build an application, you can easily incorporate OpenAI's ChatGPT into your chatbot. Feel free to ask it other questions and see how it responds. That brings us to the end of this short clip on my course on Pluralsight. Hope you now have a good idea on how to connect to ChatGPT via its API. This can be very useful if you're trying to build an application to leverage ChatGPT. Feel free to check out the full course on Pluralsight. You can find a link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Alright, catch you in the next video.